In this video, we explore 6 diverse pathways for making money online by taking a trek through the vast digital landscape of the internet. Get ready to make the climb from base camp to the highest peaks of potential earnings for these proven methods. Let's get right into it and start the journey of elevating your income through the vast terrains of online opportunities. Just like climbing a mountain, ascending through various methods to achieve your financial goals requires determination, strategy, and a willingness to explore new paths. Our expedition begins at base camp, where the foundational methods of making money online await your exploration. As we head out of camp, we come across the first split in the path, giving us 2 potential routes: remote customer service and data entry, each acting as dependable tools, much like sturdy boots and walking sticks, assisting you in finding your balance on this ascent towards financial independence. Let's check out the first route: remote customer service. Using platforms like Upwork and FlexJobs provide a gateway to various customer service opportunities across industries. These platforms serve as valuable resources for those seeking to kickstart their online earning journey through assisting customers and clients from the comfort of their own homes. The website Upwork.com serves as a renowned hub, connecting freelancers globally to diverse projects across industries. Fostering professional growth, it allows freelancers to bid on projects, collaborate with clients, and cultivate a robust portfolio of work experience. While FlexJobs.com specializes in curating legitimate remote job listings, ensuring a seamless remote work experience for individuals seeking reputable customer service positions. It provides access to a range of job opportunities while prioritizing the flexibility and the authenticity of remote roles. This first method, using remote customer service, typically yields around $10 to $25 per hour, offering a consistent stream of income. The second path out of base camp is data entry, another foundational step in this climb. Websites such as Clickworker and Amazon Mechanical Turk present numerous data entry tasks, serving as platforms to hone your skills and earn while inputting, organizing, or processing information remotely. The website Clickworker.com offers a versatile platform with micro-jobs and freelance opportunities, catering to remote workers across various fields. It provides task flexibility, enabling individuals to engage in diverse projects and tasks based on their skills and interests. Now, Amazon Mechanical Turk also fosters a micro-tasking environment, providing a marketplace for a range of tasks such as data entry. It enables workers around the world to engage in various human intelligence tasks, or aka HITs, and you can earn based on completed tasks. This data entry route offers a comparable income range of $15 to $30 per hour. Now, these initial routes out of base camp may seem modest, but they provide the solid footing necessary to embark on this journey. And the real rewards start coming as we venture higher up the trail. As our ascent, the terrain becomes more exhilarating, revealing paths such as business process outsourcing, or aka BPOs, and user testing. These trails reward your efforts with higher pay scales, providing a tantalizing glimpse of the stunning vistas awaiting your exploration. Heading down the business process outsourcing path, we are greeted with opportunities to handle various business tasks remotely. Platforms like Freelancer and Remote.co offer a plethora of BPO projects, allowing individuals to dive into tasks such as administrative support, project management, or even virtual assistant roles. Freelancer.com serves as a popular site for connecting freelancers to a wide range of opportunities across industries, empowering them to thrive in their chosen fields. It facilitates collaboration and bidding on projects, thus encouraging freelancers to build a diverse portfolio of work. Now, the website Remote.co offers a broad spectrum of remote job opportunities, providing an extensive directory for individuals seeking roles in different industries. It serves as a comprehensive platform for job seekers to explore and apply for remote positions. Taking the path of BPOs presents earning potentials ranging from $15 to $30 per hour. Now let's venture into user testing, another thrilling path. Websites like User Testing and Userlytics offer engaging opportunities to test and analyze digital products, ensuring an enriching user experience while earning a competitive income. User testing connects testers with website and app owners, facilitating valuable feedback for refining digital products and platforms. It offers opportunities to test user experiences and provide insights for enhancing product functionalities, helping viewers understand the process of getting started in user testing. Userlytics enables individuals to provide insights on various digital products and platforms, contributing to enhanced user experiences and functionalities. It allows testers to share their opinions and feedback, helping businesses improve their products, making it easier for viewers to contribute to product improvements. By providing valuable feedback on websites, apps, or products, user testing can yield $25 to $60 per hour. So, a bit higher than the first few paths we explored so far. But remember, your earning potential keeps going up as you travel to the higher elevations of this journey. Now, continuing our climb higher and higher, we come to a trailhead called Dropshipping. The terrain becomes more demanding, but the rewards soar to new heights. Dropshipping platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce open doors to this e-commerce method, allowing individuals to sell products without holding inventory, managing shipments, or dealing with substantial upfront costs. Shopify empowers entrepreneurs with efficient online store setup, dropshipping management, and access to tools for business growth. It simplifies the process of starting and managing an online store, catering to entrepreneurs globally, providing viewers with an accessible way to enter the world of e-commerce. While WooCommerce integrates seamlessly into websites, offering customizable e-commerce stores and exploring dropshipping opportunities. It enables users to personalize their online stores within the WordPress framework, enhancing their business capabilities, allowing viewers to kickstart their e-commerce ventures. Dropshipping offers a unique earning potential with approximate hourly rates of $13 to $63 per hour. It's a path that demands continuous learning and swift adaptability to market trends, yet the sky-high potential earnings make every strategic move worth it. As our ascent reaches its pinnacle, we arrive at the summit. There, we find print-on-demand services, aka POD services. Here, the vistas are unmatched and the financial horizons expand beyond expectations. This peak represents the top online income method for this video. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble enable individuals to create and sell custom-designed merchandise without managing inventory or upfront costs, tapping into a global market eager for unique products. Printful oversees on-demand custom merchandise creation, printing, and shipping processes, aiding entrepreneurs in expanding their merchandise offerings. It provides a user-friendly platform for creating and selling custom-designed products, offering viewers an avenue to start their merchandise business. Redbubble provides global exposure for artists to showcase designs on diverse products with print-on-demand fulfillment. It encourages artists to upload their designs and reach a wide audience through a variety of products, offering a platform for viewers to launch their art-focused businesses. Print-on-demand services offer earning potentials ranging from $25 to $100 plus per hour. Fellow adventurers, the path to financial success in the digital realm is as diverse as the landscape we've just traversed. Each method offers its challenges and rewards, but the key lies in persistence, adaptability, and the willingness to venture beyond the familiar. As the sun sets on our journey, remember, the climb might be arduous, but with dedication and a spirit of exploration, the rewards are limitless. I really hope you got some value and inspiration from this video. Like and subscribe to the channel to learn more methods of making money online in 2024. Thanks for watching and happy hustling.